Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We've got some explosive news coming out of the Bitcoin space, folks. Bitcoin has just crossed that $91,000 mark for the first time in 50 days, and now everyone's wondering, what's behind this sudden rally? Well, let me tell you, as I always do on the Bitcoin Bulletin, we're diving into the latest developments to get to the bottom of this story. It turns out, the price surge is being fueled by a mix of factors. On one hand, we've got institutional investors stepping up their game. Big players like Fidelity and Bank of America have been increasing their positions in Bitcoin, which has helped to drive up demand and push prices higher. And with more mainstream investment coming into the space, it's becoming increasingly clear that Bitcoin is here to stay. But what about President Trump? There's been a lot of chatter online suggesting that his latest comments on cryptocurrency might be behind this price surge. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, wait, didn't Trump used to call Bitcoin not gonna happen? Well, yes and no. While he did make some pretty harsh statements about crypto back in 2018, more recent rhetoric from the president has been decidedly more supportive. In fact, just last week, Trump tweeted that Bitcoin was a very good investment opportunity, saying it had potential for long-term growth. And while we can't say for certain whether this tweet was the direct cause of the price surge, it's clear that his words have helped to shift public perception on cryptocurrency. The message is getting out there. Bitcoin is a serious player in the financial world. So what does all this mean for Bitcoin investors? Well, at the Bitcoin Bulletin, we're always focused on giving you the facts and helping you make informed decisions about your investments. And that's exactly what I'm doing here today. For those of you who are considering getting into the space or looking to ride out this recent rally, it's essential to do your own research, set clear goals for yourself, and diversify your portfolio. In other words, Bitcoin's price volatility is no joke, but with a solid strategy in place, you can navigate even the choppiest of waters. And that's what we're all about here on the Bitcoin Bulletin, keeping you informed, giving you actionable insights, and helping you stay ahead of the curve when it comes to this rapidly evolving space. So there you have it, folks, a breakdown of the recent Bitcoin price surge and what might be behind it. We'll keep a close eye on developments and bring you updates as more information becomes available. Until next time, I'm Ibrahim Ajabaid, signing off from the Bitcoin Bulletin.